Good morning, Arizona.
Oh, Memorial Day weekend this weekend, a huge weekend. Everybody's going to be displaying their flags. And, of course, if you're not sure how to do that, Rosie's here to talk about it this morning. You know, everybody can put a flag on the side of a wooden door or a wooden house, but not all homes are made out of wood, right?
Yeah, especially viewers of this segment. They already have that easy stuff down pat. What we have to wrestle with sometimes in homes in Arizona is the outside of the house is styrofoam. How do you mount a flag with any amount of weight to stick to something like that, especially blowing in the wind? So what I recommend people do, if your home in fact is stucco and styrofoam, mount or pick up just a little trophy plaque. Apply construction adhesive to the back of that.
What is that, liquid nails?
That's exactly what it is.
Used a few of those myself.
Plumb it into the location you want and apply it. Tape it, duct tape it, or wing nut it through the board, through the foam, through the stucco. Let the adhesive dry a good 2 or 3 days, and then mount the flag holder to that.
Okay.
Now, if you have a concrete block home, one of the best things I like to do, the real handyman tip of the week, is never try and mount anything to concrete block without a good masonry bit.
Gotta have that.
It has to be a good, clean, straight hole. Nothing short of a good, sharp masonry bit will give you that. Then you set the lead anchor into the hole that you drill. You mix up some of this Quickcrete anchoring cement, fill the hole, set this in the hole, set the screw, and let it dry like that in the wall overnight. Take this out the next day, mount your bracket, and set that and send it all the way home.
Excellent. Even though you've this thing separates a little bit, but you still need the anchor cement?
Yes, we like to.
Okay, just for that extra assurance.
Exactly.
Now, are most stucco homes only that thick? Stucco's thicker than that, isn't it, on the side of homes?
Not usually.
Really?
Much.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Maybe a little.
All right. Let's talk about the flag itself. The one thing I learned in Boy Scouts, don't let that flag touch the ground, right, Rosie?
That's right. The flag is never supposed to touch anything below it. No water, no merchandise. And do you know the only time any flag can hang above the American flag is on a naval ship during church service?
I had no idea.
That is the only time it is the church flag that can hang above, on the ship only during the church service.
Any more trivia? You know, you can pick up these books, right, where you can buy flags.
You know,
those are pretty handy.
I ran and picked up most of this material at the flag shop at 24th Street in Osborne. And they've got all the rules on displaying and handling it. And the book that's dedicated to the Boy Scouts you can pick up for $1. And it's full of trivia. One thing you won't find in here, a little piece of Arizona trivia, there's only 2 places in the world you can display the flag by an act of Congress 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The White House. And Castle Hot Springs Resort up by Lake Pleasant.
Would have never guessed that. Would have never guessed that. Hey, when I grew up on a farm in Kansas as a kid, we had a flagpole. You used to go out there. That was my job, putting that flag up. That was fun. Hey, this flag, boy, everybody got a kick out of that one, didn't they? Oh, I got the best stories.
You raise it briskly.
That's why they have me do this segment, because I've got stories.
You're a flag guy.
Hey, something's missing from this flag, though. Let's see.
Thank you very much.
Oh, there we go.
You can't have, what's a flag without a flying eagle on top of the flagpole?
Gotta have that eagle on top. Okay, Tara, from one exciting story to another.